Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with my motorized spinner again because I'm in that mood. But I will play with silicone oil today. I will do 2 flip cups with those beautiful colors. So I have Prussian blue, some metallic turquoise blue, dioxazine purple, white, gold and turquoise green. And my paints are quite thick because I think that I need them on the spinner. And I don't have silicone oil in these paints. I will just layer those 2 cups and then I will sprinkle, or maybe with the brush, a little silicone oil on top, and then we will spin it out in a fast manner. So let's begin. I just have to put my cups here how I want them to be when I layer. So I will start with this Prussian blue on bottom. The paints are really thick, so I don't know how this will work for silicone oil, but I don't want my cells to be wonky before I will spin it out. So turquoise, dioxazine. This is my first time doing that, so that's what I like to do, experiment in fluid art, and take you with my journey, on my journey with me. Ooh, this white is quite thick. I don't know, but when I spin out, I think that they need a little more consistency, thicker consistency. Oh, this gold was totally different consistency than the white. We will see. Maybe I should thin down my white a little bit, or leave it now as it is. I don't know. I will layer once more. Maybe I will have too much paint, because I realize that you don't need as much paint for if you spin out on those high speed, you know, because it will spread out your paints quite a lot. That's why I think that they need a little more body. This is just my observation, watching other artists do this. You have a lot of choice to watch on all the social media platforms. So almost done, and then I will take you to my other station, my spinning station, and we will see what will happen. We will flip these babies on the canvas and see what will happen. So here I am. Sorry for I'm on the floor, doing this on the floor, so it's kind of, I'm not used to, but I can't do this spinning thing on my table because it's not obviously 100% leveled, and my camera starts to shake. So as I said, I don't have silicone oil in the paints, but I will add some silicone oil. You can't see, this is Paint Art silicone oil, when I will flip those cups. So let's do first one. Oh, already some cells, and I don't have silicone there, so maybe I will just spin that out without anything else. scale this a little bit. I want to sprinkle a little bit, so I will just put a little bit of silicone oil here. Dip my brush in. Yeah, I wanted to have a lot of cells because I want to see how this will look when I spin out all those cells. Let's do that. I really don't want to lose this part, so I think that I will just leave it like it is. I'm not sure what to think about this. It is kind of interesting. But I really like this part. I don't know, it's interesting. I will leave it to dry.